Let me share a workflow for partial repainting, and I'll also mention two new nodes in ComfyUI. One is ComfyUI YoloWorld EfficientSAM. It's used for what? It can be used for image detection and segmentation, or detection and segmentation in videos. Just take a look and you'll understand at once. What makes it different from previous versions is that here you can extract and separate masks. Another node to share is ComfyUI Superiority. Now it's also integrated into the ConveyUI. The open source project is located here. When installing, you must definitely check this manual. Otherwise, you'll surely encounter many problems. So in terms of simple local repainting effects, I think it's still quite good. Back then, when I was teaching UI design, I had to go through all these steps, and it was actually quite tedious. If that's the case, integrating them into a single workflow would make things much easier, basically. Tap the Q to proceed. So before I switch to leather jacket, I tried to gradually redraw his face. This workflow actually comes from a creator on YouTube. If you need it, you can download it from his channel, and I'll also include it in my link. Navigate to Running Harbor, click on AI, or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 1,200 points. Logging in daily will also give you an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow for the video. All AI applications that can be started with one click have been deployed online and are now available for online operation and testing.